Alright guys, welcome back to another openings reaction. Today we are watching all of the My Hero Academia openings, 1 through 14, and we're also going to rank them. I don't know how much you guys like that, but we like doing it. I don't know if it's too controversial for you guys, but we're going to do a tier list, just because we like doing them. As you guys know, I covered all of the openings. I'll be putting my cover at the end of each reaction. We're going to rank everything from S down to what? D?
Something I don't think anything will be in D, but
I don't
sure.
think so as well. Maybe down below you guys can give us your favorite opening and then maybe your favorite cover of mine, which one you like the most. But I'm pretty sure majority of these are going to be in like A or S because I really did enjoy a lot of the My Hero openings. We're probably going to rank them just based off of vibes, the song. We're not going to worry about the visuals too much. But anyway, should we get into it?
Let's get into it. This is The Day.
Nostalgic. Let's go. Oh, look at Deku. Look how different he looks.
Yeah, I know. And All Might. That smile.
I love the riff, man. I loved covering this one. This was very much like All Might and Deku season, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah. All his notebooks.
How sad he was, man, without his quirk.
Oh. They've come so far.
Oh, cool. Oh. That was
really sick. The no-moves.
Yeah, this fight was so good, by the way.
Let's go, Aizawa.
Oh, that's similar to the end scene of the whole show.
Oh, is it?
They're all flying through the sky.
Oh, yeah, it is similar.
Really sick. Now, I've got to lock in for this because I'm going to be tempted to give everything S because I loved it. That's how you feel?
I loved it. What? Where did you think? A?
I was thinking like a solid 8. I was thinking high A.
Oh. All right, let's reassess.
Where
at the
are you?
end
If
then.
you're a 9 too, then it has to be S. This is your list too. It's not my list.
Maybe I was a 9, so we will go A for now. We reassess later.
Okay. Okay. I'm happy with that. Let's go to the next one.
This is peace sign.
They're all good, man.
I know.
It's my sort of music too. I really like it. This was very tricky to play on the guitar, to be honest. All the offbeats.
I can imagine. It's like very fast.
It's not that fast. It's just on the offbeat. I was going to say, it sounds like a Jujutsu Kaisen opening. I'm pretty sure it's the same artist that does one of the JJK openings.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh yeah, this was the training. This was before the sports festival.
Yeah.
When we got introduced to all the Todoroki stuff as well.
Chorus slaps.
Ida was robbed.
Is Cementos going to make an appearance? Is that...
I hope not.
Yeah.
It's nostalgic saying All Might like that.
Oh no.
Buff All Might. Oh. That was a nice chord progression.
I love seeing them all at the
end
like that. I hope they do that every single one.
It's comic book like, isn't it?
Yes.
That's a 7-9 for me.
Oh, okay. 7,
Good.
9?
Yep. Yeah, B is considered good. I think that's a good opening. Where do you think it goes? Definitely not better than the first.
The chorus slapped. The rest I wasn't crazy about.
Okay, I feel like B is appropriate.
Okay. I'm not going to pronounce this one.
Oh, shit. I love this one.
Oh, there's two singers?
Oh, stop.
Oh.
Come on, Carly.
Let's go.
Shit. I love the guitar riff.
Oh, that was cool.
I loved this part of the show as well.
It's showing all their struggles.
Yeah. This song is too good.
Very emotional song.
Yeah.
The other ones were like bops.
It just screams My Hero, though, this opening.
Yeah. Oh.
Sick. I don't know, Carly. I'm going to get your vibe on that. I'm going to get...
First S, is it?
You got tears in your eyes, so I'm going to say yes.
Y-E-S.
I love that one. This song was great. I don't know, it had some emotion into it. I felt the character struggles. The chorus slapped, but everything else was good too. The guitars, the verses, I think were better than like the other songs. That's S. Also one of my favorite ones to cover, I think. Oh, no.
This is Odd Future.
It's S.
Oh, yes. This one's so good.
It's the K-pop sounding one.
Yeah, I remember your cover, particularly for this one.
Yeah. I had to do the chorus. Midnight looking scrumptious there. Season 3 was solid, man. Super good. Come on.
This is so good.
Epic. Oh yeah, the ambush. Deku getting his Super Saiyan moment there.
Oh, this bloke.
What was his name? Muscular?
Musclehead or something.
I think it was Muscular.
Let's
so
go.
sick. Yeah, the My Hero openings all have that same style, right?
If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
It shows all the
Love
different
that.
all the different heroes. They get like a slideshow moment or something.
Yeah.
Really sick. Oh, is that your favourite one?
I liked that better than the other one. Did you?
Yeah. I'm okay with putting that S. I love that one. Loved covering it too.
This is Make My Story. This is not ringing any bells.
Stupid thing on his face. But...
Yeah. Oh, okay, it's coming back now.
Yeah. I love the J-Rock style. It suits My Hero really well.
It's so good.
That dude was a legend. Reminded me of Tanaka from Haikyuu.
He was a great sport.
Key change, isn't it? Ah, bad. All the openings are so good. Ah, beautiful uplifting chord progression there. Oh, was this when they faced off against each other? I think at the end of the season? I can't remember.
Deku and Bakugo.
Yeah.
Oh, all of them again. She's allowed to be front and center there.
That's a hard one. I really like it. I don't know if it's better than the first opening.
Okay, but is it in like the same?
I feel like it's an A.
Okay.
I don't know where though. I don't know if it's...
Let's put it here.
Okay. Yeah, is it better than the first opening? I don't know. I don't think so.
Okay.
I think I'm alright with that. You've forgotten what the first opening sounds like?
Yep. It was a long time ago. Like 6 minutes ago? Polaris.
I never want to play this song on the guitar ever again.
I love this one. Is that hard?
It was very fast. My fingers were in pain.
Oh.
Yeah.
That checks out.
It's so good though.
Yeah.
Put Minato trying to be the main character, the bastard. Bakugo, why are you behind him? Oh yeah, this is when we met Mirio and the gang.
Yep. Bonito.
Oh my bro, the suit's not fitting you anymore.
How
Sorry.
dare you? I think that's the point.
A couple of sizes too big. Oh, I love it. Yeah, them going through the sky like that, it's so sick. The My Hero special. Oh yeah. Cool chord progression there. Oh, cute as, man. I love their scene at the end of...
I know, with Kota as well.
Yeah. That was the previous season, I think. Yeah.
The best class.
Help me out.
You need to help me out.
I don't even know if there's going to be one in C at all.
Nah.
This one's definitely... It's definitely good. Is it S tier? Shit. Deku and Eri like that? That was cute as. I said I'm not going to base it off visuals, but shit. You got to give it points sometimes. What did you think? You rank it. I know you think roughly in the same area as me. I'm feeling like that's top A.
That's what I was feeling
I don't think that, like, S is reserved.
Okay, let's put it top A. Okay.
I'm happy with that, yeah.
This is Star Maker.
Oh yeah, this is for the concert.
Oh, yeah.
And the Gentle and La Brava stuff as well.
La Blabba.
Yeah, the goose. Kido's got writer's block.
That's gotta suck for the creatives.
Oh yeah, there were a lot of the Todoroki stuff, I think, was during this part of the story. It's got a different look to it as well, this opening.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh my bad.
What was Aizawa looking at?
Nice.
Okay, now neither of us were like crazy about that one, right?
Yeah, that could be the one and only. Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah. It could be mid.
What does this mean?
That's mid. C is mid. It was alright.
I'd say that would be mid. Oh.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. I'm okay with that,
Okay.
Carly.
This is number one.
Number one.
It's called number one.
Pain in the ass to
Oh.
cover.
It was hard, yeah.
It was. Oh, this was the showdowns between 1A and 1B.
Oh,
I lost
yeah,
my damn mind,
with
man.
The mushroom girl and all
Yeah,
that.
season 5. Shoto, you let me down in that episode, man. You and Ida.
He should have had that in the bag.
Vlad, the biased prick. Not that I'm not biased.
Oh. So
I love the
happy he
build-up.
ended up with everyone, or 1A.
Nice chorus. I love these. They're showcases. I think that's the right word.
Yes.
The showcasing of all the different heroes. Oh, cool.
Oh, nice.
Guitar solo.
Oh, I'm loving these
Yeah.
shots. They're so good.
So cool at the end. That song grew on me as we went.
It's probably low A or high B for me.
I completely agree with you.
You make the final decision then.
I'm going to go high B. I'm going to go like that's a 7-9. Yeah, I'd put it top. Yeah, top of B.
Yeah.
You just put it bottom B, I think. But go flip it around. Yep, there we
go. I can't see.
Yeah, because I don't think it's as good as bottom A. What's that opening there? I can't read it.
Make my story.
Yeah, I don't think it's as good as that one.
Yeah.
Carly, you're going to lose credibility.
I just know when I'm ranking them, all right?
That's why we're ranking these straight after we watch them.
Yep.
All right, next.
This is merry-go-round.
Really cool guitar riff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Some English
Is
lyrics.
the whole thing in English? No. Oh, I like that. The reflection shot.
This is when they went on that training arc with Endeavour, right? I think so.
Yes, must be.
There's the showcase.
Carousel.
Carlie! Stop.
Oh,
Cool.
okay.
When Endeavour was taken over. Oh, I like that chord progression. Oh shit! The orchestra was going off
there.
there.
That's a nice shot too. Okay.
That's mid.
Yeah, I was thinking like it was giving. You're thinking C.
It was
I was
like-
thinking like B.
Yeah, I'm happy to
Yeah.
go low B
Okay.
then. Yeah, it was alright. I liked the guitar riff at the start.
Yeah.
It was average throughout. This is the updated version of this opening, by the way. Thank you for
Yes.
reminding us to watch that.
Thank you.
I don't know what we're looking out for, though.
Yeah.
This has a really, really cool animation style,
Yeah.
though.
I love it. Very like clean. I don't know. Is that how you'd say?
Comic book-esque, isn't it?
Yes.
Very much so.
I love Aizawa.
Oh, I love the chorus in this one. I do remember it. This was the one I was singing before.
Oh, so well. You should sing now.
I won't. So cool. Season 6 was so good, by the way. Except for when Midnight. Did she perish? I think so.
Who knows? So brief. Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
They really go for it in the end of the openings, right at the end.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, a big ending. I liked it. I don't know if it's like A. I know we've got some good openings coming up. Oh, where do you have it?
I don't think it's A.
Higher B.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe like second from top. Yeah, I'm happy with that.
All right.
The visuals carried it a bit, in my opinion.
Yeah.
But the chorus slaps in that one.
It does. It does.
I think that was the best looking one.
for sure. But I think because we watched that one on Crunchyroll, we're watching all the other ones on YouTube where the quality is not as good.
Nah,
you know
but
what
the
I mean?
animation style, I mean,
Yes.
looked really crisp. I don't think that matters. We'll keep it there, though.
Bokurano.
So good to cover. This is another JJK artist, I'm sure of it.
This one's gonna be edgy as.
They would have done the opening.
JJK
Yeah,
opening?
no, this... Yeah, the very first JJK opening. Sounds exactly the same.
Oh, everyone's so sad.
Oh yeah, this is when Deku was going through some shit, man.
Yeah.
Lady Nagant, let's go.
Happy she's alright. Oh wait. Yeah, you did the same thing for her in the end.
I love this one. Oh shit.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh!
Wow!
That's the special animation. I forgot the name of the dude that does... Oh, Carly, this one looks mint.
Whoa. Aww.
Wow. This one is mesmerizing.
Yeah. The filter has changed. It's more colour.
Guitar riff is so good. It was tricky to play as well. I love it, Carly.
Stunning.
Look at him leading the way like that.
Stunning, as he does.
Oh, that's a tough one to rank. That's high 8s or low 9s. That's up to you now. You got to choose. Is it S or A? Okay. I can live with that.
Or do you want to...
No, I can live with that because you're leaning more towards A, so I feel like that's fair.
Okay.
Top of A. Stunning visuals on that one.
Yeah, that was so good.
Same singer who did Tokyo Ghoul.
Yeah. Yeah, they sound exactly the same, so that makes sense.
Oh, shit, deep lyrics there. Very different. Got an eerie feel to it, this opening.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Ooh. Oh, these two.
Chorus slaps, I'm pretty sure.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, when I was covering the song, I had to do the chorus. It was just too good not to.
Mm-hmm.
Bakugo's still not smiling. There's that rainbow. Outside of the chorus is not my cup of tea. I don't know about you. I feel like it was too much going on in their first verse. From a visual standpoint, it got good towards the middle as well. I just think it was middle of the range, to be honest with you.
Okay.
I'd go, at most, I'd probably go mid to low B.
Okay.
How are you vibing with it? It's a good chorus.
That feels about right, I think.
Yeah.
Mid? Mid of mid.
Alright, let's do that. No, mid is C, but... what have you put it in front of?
Peace sign, merry-go-round.
Yeah, I'm okay with that. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm alright with that.
Is this curtain call?
I do like this one. I love the melody. It's so addicting. Or addictive. There's some punchy chords, man. Wow. I don't know what's happening with the guitars, but they're sick.
Oh. Devastating scene.
Oh, season 7 was so peak, man.
Wow.
Like, yeah, this part of the story was insanely good. Love it. Key change there too. Look at him. I love that bit where he took him.
Yeah.
I don't know, Carly. This one's high up.
Yeah, I agree.
It's good.
They knew they had to get a good song.
That was really good. Ah, shit. I already know that the last one's going to be S. It just is. It's so good. But even though I haven't seen it, I've heard the song. Where would you rank that, Carly? We both really enjoyed it.
I don't remember the others in S, but I think it has to go S.
I'm happy to put Curtain Call S. I think we're ending strong here.
All right, you're going to help me where to put it, though.
I'd put it last, though, in
Okay.
S.
All right.
Yeah.
We must have really enjoyed those other two.
Yeah. I played this in the car, Carly. That's how good it is.
Okay, that's why I know it so well.
Yeah. And now I'm sad because we just finished watching the whole
I
show.
know, what the hell? Oh, was that his mummy?
Dang, they've put all the feels in this one here.
They knew what they were doing.
So sick, man. Legendary moment there. Did they do the first opening? Yeah, I think they did. This group.
Solid group.
Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh, I got goosebumps.
Oh.
Is that your favorite
I
opening?
love it. It made me feel the most, and I don't know if it's because you played in the car, so I have a stronger attachment to it. That might be your fault.
Carly, if you were to put that as top, I wouldn't really argue. I really like the other two there next to it. But
Well, should we?
No.
just to meet in the middle. Odd Future was more of a good vibe, and the Revo was more Devo.
So what you did there. What's your favourite, Carly? The last opening is really good, man. It is. Odd Future's a bop, though. It's a bop and a half. We lost our shit when we were listening to it before. I'm okay with that list. I really am. There's only one that we didn't really enjoy that much, but we just put it mid.
Yeah. Which is not that bad.
Yeah. 4S out of 14. It's a good return. Odd Future was definitely different to a lot of the other openings. It sounded nothing like any of the other ones, but too boppy, man. I don't know. I just really vibed with that song. If we were to like choose best visuals from memory, I'm not going to butcher the pronunciation, but season 6 opening 1.
Say it.
Hitamuki. Really solid visuals along with Curtain Call, I think, had some really good ones, and this most recent one, the last one, they had some of the best visuals. Odd Future takes it, I think, for us, though, in the end.
I think it does.
It's so good. Such a bop.
Good.
I don't know if that's a controversial take.
Yeah, I wonder what the general opinion is.
I'm sure, like, most people like that. Watch
Oh, no.
Watch our C-ranked opening be the number 1.
Like the theme song of Japan, and we've just insulted the entire nation.
Hopefully not. Yeah, as we said in the intro, down below, maybe put your favourite opening and then your favourite cover that I did for the openings as well. Maybe there was a cover that I changed up a little bit more than another that you really liked.
What was your favourite cover to cover, and what was the hardest one?
Okay. Well, Odd Future wasn't my favourite. It was up there with Sore no Teba. Carly, how do you say it? The one that we've got third in S. That was my other favourite one to cover. It had a really cool guitar riff. I think that was season 2. Maybe it was opening 3. I think it was opening 3. So that and Odd Future were my 2 favourite to cover. The hardest one was Polaris. Even though it's that recurring riff, it's just so quick that, like, I'm not used to playing that fast. So that took a little while. That
It's
actually
a bit of a challenge.
Some of you guys asked me how long it takes to do a cover. It varies. Like, if the song's easy, I can learn it, record it, film it. I could get all of that done in like 5 to 6 hours. The harder ones, like that Polaris one, took me a few hours at least to learn, and then to record a really good sort of take took a long time as well. That one probably took closer to 10 to 12 hours to get that song done, and then film it and edit it and all of that. But that's just a little bit of an insight onto the covers. Again, I think it was Odd Future, though, would have been my favourite.
Thank you so much for watching our reaction. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It would really help us out. For early access to all of our reactions, you can support us on Patreon if you'd like. And yeah, thank you so much again. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!